Switzerland. The name conjures images of snow-capped peaks reflected in pristine lakes, where the water is so clear, it mirrors the majestic mountains perfectly. Picture yourself amidst rolling hills, dotted with charming chalets and vibrant wildflowers. Imagine the fresh mountain air filling your lungs as you take in the serene landscape. This is Switzerland, a land of breathtaking beauty and captivating culture. From the picturesque villages to the bustling cities, every corner of Switzerland has a story to tell. Whether you yearn for outdoor adventure or seek cultural immersion, Switzerland promises an unforgettable journey. Hike through the Alps, ski down world-renowned slopes, or explore historic museums and galleries. Switzerland is a feast for the senses, from its stunning scenery to its delectable chocolate. Indulge in the rich, creamy flavors of Swiss chocolate, a treat that is as iconic as the country's landscapes. Prepare to be amazed by its efficient transportation system and charmed by the friendliness of its people. The Swiss are known for their hospitality and their commitment to making every visitor feel welcome. Come, discover why Switzerland should be your next travel destination. Whether it's the natural beauty, the cultural richness, or the warm hospitality, Switzerland has something for everyone. Switzerland's beauty is legendary. Towering mountains pierce the sky, their slopes adorned with lush forests and sparkling waterfalls. Crystal-clear lakes like mirrors reflecting the heavens dot the landscape. Everywhere you look, nature puts on a show. Take a scenic train ride through the Alps, marveling at the Matterhorn's iconic peak. Embark on a boat trip across Lake Geneva, surrounded by vineyards and charming villages. Hike through verdant valleys, breathing in the fresh mountain air. Switzerland's natural beauty will leave you breathless. Beyond its natural wonders, Switzerland boasts an array of charming towns and villages. Stroll through the cobbled streets of Bern, its medieval architecture a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore Lucerne, with its iconic chapel bridge and stunning lakeside views. Discover the cosmopolitan flair of Geneva, home to international organizations and a vibrant cultural scene. Each town and village offers a unique glimpse into Swiss life. With its own local traditions and friendly atmosphere, lose yourself in the charm of Switzerland's urban gems. A tapestry of culture, traditions, and heritage. Switzerland's cultural heritage is as rich and diverse as its landscape. From the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the serene lakes and rolling hills, every corner of this country tells a unique story. The cultural fabric of Switzerland is woven with threads of history, tradition, and innovation, creating a vibrant tapestry that is both timeless and ever-evolving. Experience the country's history at ancient castles and fortresses, each with its own tale to tell. These historic structures stand as silent witnesses to centuries of change, offering a glimpse into the past. Wander through the halls of these majestic buildings and imagine the lives of those who once walked their corridors. Delve into Swiss traditions at folk festivals, where you can witness colorful costumes and lively music. These festivals are a celebration of Swiss culture, bringing communities together in joyous harmony. From traditional dances to local crafts, every aspect of these events reflects the rich heritage of the Swiss people. Sample Swiss delicacies like fondue and raclette, enjoying the warm hospitality of local restaurants. The culinary traditions of Switzerland are a feast for the senses, offering a taste of the country's diverse regions. Savor the flavors of Swiss cuisine, from hearty mountain dishes to delicate pastries, each bite telling a story of its own. From its watchmaking heritage to its chocolate-making artistry, Switzerland offers a fascinating blend of tradition and innovation. The precision and craftsmanship of Swiss watches are renowned worldwide, while Swiss chocolate is celebrated for its exquisite taste and quality. These industries are a testament to the Swiss dedication to excellence and creativity. Immerse yourself in the cultural tapestry of this captivating country. Whether exploring its historic landmarks, participating in its vibrant festivals, or indulging in its culinary delights, Switzerland invites you to discover the richness of its traditions and heritage. Every experience is an opportunity to connect with the heart and soul of this remarkable nation. Adventure awaits. Outdoor activities in Switzerland. For outdoor enthusiasts, Switzerland is a paradise. The country offers a diverse range of activities that cater to all tastes and preferences, making it a top destination for adventure seekers. In winter, world-class ski resorts beckon, offering exhilarating slopes for skiers and snowboarders of all levels. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Swiss Alps provide the perfect backdrop for an unforgettable winter sports experience. Lace up your hiking boots in summer and explore countless trails, from gentle walks to challenging climbs. The Swiss Alps are renowned for their stunning beauty and diverse terrain, making them a hiker's dream come true. Go kayaking or paddleboarding on pristine lakes, surrounded by breathtaking scenery. The crystal-clear waters and serene environment provide the perfect setting for a relaxing day on the water. Experience the thrill of paragliding, soaring high above the majestic Alps. The panoramic views from above are simply unparalleled, offering a unique perspective of Switzerland's natural beauty. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping adventure or peaceful communion with nature, Switzerland has something for everyone. From the rugged mountains to the tranquil lakes, the country's diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for exploration and enjoyment. Your unforgettable Swiss adventure. From its breathtaking scenery to its charming towns and rich culture, Switzerland offers an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventure, cultural immersion, or simply a relaxing getaway, Switzerland has something for everyone. Let the beauty of the Swiss Alps captivate your senses. Embrace the warmth of Swiss hospitality. Discover the magic that awaits in this enchanting country. Plan your Swiss adventure today and create memories that will last a lifetime.